Hello, Tim Fogarty from Gengras Volkswagen here, and today I want to show you how to activate the adaptive cruise control. As you can see, if you look in the middle of the instrument cluster, it looks like there is nothing there. That's because adaptive cruise control is inactive. To activate it, you hit this button right there, and right now your adaptive cruise control is activated. You can also set when you want it to activate, and you can also adjust the speed as well. As you can see, I'm hitting the plus button here, and there's a little arrow going up along the speedometer. If I press it once, it adjusts it in 1 mile increments. If I hold it, as you can see, it adjusts it in 5 mile increments. If you want to decrease it, if you press it, it decreases it in 1 mile increments. If I hold it, it decreases it in 5 mile increments.